My dear course participants, today we are going to discuss a strategic profit model. When we were discussing the evaluation of distributors or the intermediaries, this strategic profit model is very important to learn. SPM is an analytical tool frequently used to determine return on investments in a business firm. It is a tool that incorporates both income and balance sheet data and demonstrate how these data relate to each other to result in return on net worth and return on assets. So we are going to discuss this particular strategic profit model, and it's a really very interesting model to learn about this evaluating the performance of a particular distributor or the channel partner or a particular channel. So a strategic profit model says that if we calculate the return on assets and if it is multiplied by the financial leverage, then we'll be getting this return on net worth. Return on net worth is net profit is divided by the net worth. So let us begin with this two ends of this particular model. So first model that begins with this, suppose we are having this a particular sales. So sales minus cost of the goods sold, that will give us the gross margin. And out of this gross margin, if we deduct all the total expenses, then it will give us the net profit. And if we divide the net profit by the sales, so that will give us this net profit margin in terms of percentage. So net profit is divided by net sales, right? And if we go to the second leg of this particular model, then we know that inventory plus accounts receivables plus other current assets, if we put together, then it gives us the current assets. Current assets plus fixed assets, that gives us the total assets. And if we divide the sales from this total assets, that give us the asset turnover. So asset turnover is net sales divided by the total assets. Now you see net profit margin as well as the asset turnover rate. So again, if we divide this net profit from this total assets, so that will give us this return on assets in percentage. And if we multiply it by the financial leverage, that is the total assets divided by the net worth, so finally it gives us the return on net worth. So this is a strategic profit model and helps us to understand this how much of this total profit is being generated from this total worth which has been deployed or employed into a particular business. So with this note, I am confident that you must have learned this. What is a strategic profit model for evaluating the channel member performance? Thank you very much.